welcome to the fifth episode of Reinventing Ourselves and Mind Blogging. I am Pamela Roy, and this is my episode presenting you at the Reinventing Ourselves from Mind Blogging. So, I think you've been following Mind Blogging from a good long time, and thank you so much for watching this video in advance. This is the fifth episode, and I would like to talk about that who I am and what has been the major reinventing factor till the moment that has come up with. I'm a little late. I wanted to come up at the first, but I'm a little late. I'm so sorry about that. So, first of all, I would like to tell you I am a blogger and I'm a writer, and you will find my Instagram link and my WordPress link in the YouTube video that you'll be looking out for. As a blogger, as a writer, I have reinvented myself in the lockdown days, and the longing passion that I had from the last 10 years that I would be writing in my daily diaries and in the journals that I've kept with, thought to come up on the social media and explore this world and let them know that what I am, why I write, and what's my writing all about. So, this is what I have come up with a series that we should smile. Probably in the world of chaos and the world of struggle and complete erroneous of hardship days, we all have just forgotten to smile from heart, and that's what I am coming up with. Anxiety, mental health issues are really serious these days, and the moreover whenever we have experienced this pandemic, it has been really difficult for every one of us to handle the mental stress that we all have, the kind of life that we were actually running. It has been halted because of this lockdown and because of this pandemic that has come all over the world. We've lost a lot of people. We have lost a lot of closed ones. We might be we hear the numbers going day in and day out, but what's it basically all about, and why I as a person, as an individual from nowhere, is telling you to smile? It's because that even if the wind blows against you, you smile and you make your own path, and that's really important, because this circle of life is not going to stop for any one of us, and that's very obvious that we should be smiling, we should be standing straight, tall and still, so that nothing stops in our way, and we should make our own life the way we want to. So if I tell about my story, I worked in an MNC, and because of this pandemic, things have been really bad for me. So the passion of writing is just like an oasis for me to get out of the daily in and out stress. Even if I write one line a day, I am able to exaggerate and bring it everything into this book. Now, what is basically this thing doing it for me? It's basically bringing out all the stress, all the anxiety, all the negativity that I've absorbed in the day, and I've put it here. Now, you might also have your own ways to do it, but what if you do not find yourself doing it? Are you gonna just sit and not think about it, or you're gonna overthink, or you're just gonna, drag yourself to the point where you stop thinking and you go blank? Well, no, that's not what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to stand, you're supposed to make yourself at peace. You need to understand the what is life all about. There's a saying that don't drag your past with you. It's true, because if you're dragging the past with you, you're still making yourself live in the past. But why not think about the past for once? Why not just let's just calculate that how life has all been. I mean, I wanted to be a passionate book writer. I am on the way of being a book writer, but am I a little late? Well, no, because the moment when you think that you will start doing it, that's the moment that you have started. even a person who's at 56 years is able to start his own brand and is now a multi-millionaire. We all know that guy. I mean, who not loves KFC? That's what I'm talking about. He got rejected his entire life, and now everyone loves the brand because it's amazing. He didn't stop his work, he started when he felt like. A person who's just thinking to start up his entrepreneurship had it make it work in the age of 15 years. We all know the brand, and it's again a big e-commerce industry. So giving all these examples of these big people, they were extraordinary, you're also extraordinary. Everyone is extraordinary on this earth. I mean, why not? If you've been able to make yourself survive without the help of anyone, and if you've been able to make yourself stand strong, still you are extraordinary. No matter what you had thought in your early days, you might want to be an astronaut or an engineer, you're still touching the sky and you're still making yourself shine like that star. So that's really important for all of us to smile, be happy, because at the end of the day, the circle of life includes a lot of your loved ones who really want, who really love you, who really care for you. And that's important again, because if you don't smile for them, they would not be able to smile for anyone. So be happy, guys. Live for your smile. This is my series. You can have a look at my IGTVs on the blog. Thank you so much for listening to me, and thank you. Mind Blogging is an amazing page. Please do follow. In a few days, we might be coming up with a collaboration too. Bye bye. Take care. Have a good day. Rise and shine.